Honey is a popular cashback extension that rewards users for shopping online through their platform. To use Honey and get cash back from Honey PayPal, follow these steps. First, install the Honey browser extension on your preferred browser, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari. Once installed, create a Honey account by signing up with your email address or connecting through Facebook or Google. After creating your account, browse through various online stores and look for the Honey icon in the top right corner of your browser. When you click on the icon, Honey will notify you if there are any available coupons or discounts for the website you are currently visiting. To earn cash back, make sure you are logged into your Honey account and click through the Honey link before making a purchase. This ensures that Honey tracks your purchase and credits your account with the cashback reward. Honey has partnered with thousands of online stores, including popular retailers like Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. When you shop at these stores through Honey, you can earn a percentage of your purchase back as cash. The cashback rates vary depending on the store and the item you purchase. To get your cash back from Honey PayPal, you need to accumulate at least 1,000 Honey Gold points, which is equivalent to $1. Once you reach this threshold, you can redeem your points for cash through PayPal or other gift cards. To redeem your points, log into your Honey account and click on the Redeem button. Select PayPal as your preferred redemption method and enter your PayPal email address. Honey will then transfer the cash back to your PayPal account. In addition to cash back, Honey also offers other features such as price history and price alerts. These features help you make informed purchasing decisions and save even more money on your online shopping. By following these steps and using Honey regularly, you can earn significant cashback rewards and save money on your online purchases. Remember to always log into your Honey account and click through the Honey link before making a purchase to ensure you earn your cashback rewards.